Hi there, friends who love money stuff and are super curious. Today we're going to chat about how to make your money work for you. We're going to find out why it's cool to take care of your money yourself and how to change your saved up money into a hard-working helper. We'll talk about getting to know your money better, how to invest it smartly, making money when you're not even working, and why it's important to not put all your money in one place. Ready to make your money do the hard work for you? Stick with us. Hi viewers, if you're having fun with what you're watching, and you don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos full of more awesome tips, cool tricks, and fun ideas, hit that subscribe button now to keep up with us, and don't forget to leave a comment and share. Before we jump in, we need to know about your money matters. This is where we start our journey to earn more money, and it could change your life. So let's begin. First, we'll talk about budgeting. It's not about not spending or not getting stuff you like. It's about thinking carefully before you spend your money. A good budget helps you decide how much money to spend on what, and it allows you to manage your money better. Think of budgeting as a map that shows you the way to reach your money goals. Next, we'll talk about how much money you earn and spend. It's really important to know this. It's like knowing the rules of a game before playing it. Your income and expenses are like the rules for your money game. They tell you how much money you have and how much you need to keep everything running. Lastly, let's remember money goals. These are the dreams you're working for, the final goal of your money journey. Maybe it's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling. Your money goals give you a reason to save, invest, and make smart money choices. Always remember that understanding your money isn't a one-time thing, it's ongoing. Your money matters change, your goals change, and your budget needs to adjust. Once you know how your money is doing, it's time to move forward. Now let's think of money as seeds. If you plant them carefully and look after them, they'll grow into big, tall trees, giving you even more seeds. This is why saving and investing money is important. First, let's talk saving. Saving money is like the first step to being able to buy whatever you want in the future. Try to put away a little bit of your pocket money each week. The important thing is to do it regularly. Start with a small amount if that's easier, and little by little, try to save more. Before you think about investing any money, you need a special savings called an emergency fund. This is money you keep for unexpected things, like if you break your bike or lose your favorite toy. Experts say you should save enough to cover your needs for 3 to 6 months. Next, let's learn about investing. Investing is like making your money work for you. It's when you buy things like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that can make more money for you in the future. Stocks are kind of like owning a small piece of a company. When that company does well, your stocks become more valuable. Bonds are like lending money to a company or the government, and they pay you back with a little extra. Mutual funds are when a bunch of people pool their money together and a professional uses it to buy a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Now, let's talk about compound interest. It's like when the money you earn from your investment makes more money. Over time, your savings will grow faster and faster, not just little by little. That's why it's a good idea to start investing as soon as you can. Just remember, try to save before you spend, not the other way around. Start saving your money seeds today, and one day, they'll grow into a big forest of money trees. Now, let's chat about something cool called passive income streams. Think about a river that stays full all the time, keeping your money pool filled. That's what passive income is. It's money that keeps coming in even when you're not working for it. Sounds exciting, right? The best thing about passive income is that it keeps adding more money to your pocket when you're sleeping, on vacation, or just chilling. It's a clever way to make your money work more for you, and there are lots of ways to do it. One of the most liked ways is through houses. If you own houses that people rent, it can give you a steady flow of money without needing to work on it every day. And the awesome part is, as house prices go up, so can your money. But remember, you must check everything carefully before jumping into buying houses. Another way to earn passive income is from profits made from investments. When you put money into things like stocks, mutual funds, or trade funds, you get payments often. These profits can be used to buy even more shares, making your money grow bigger over time. Starting small businesses also give you passive income. Maybe you're good at making digital things, writing ebooks, or making online courses. All these can be set up to keep bringing in money with little work once they're started. And don't forget about loaning to others, getting paid for your creative ideas, or even making money from a blog or YouTube channel. There are so many choices, and the best part is that you can pick what you like and what you're good at. It's important to remember that while passive income can give you more money freedom, it needs an early investment of time, money, or both. But once these money streams start flowing, They can greatly increase your money and give you more free time, letting you do what you really love to do. Making passive income streams can greatly increase your money and make your money work harder for you. Ever heard of the word diversification? Let's make it simple for you. Picture this. You're at a food buffet with lots of dishes to choose from. Would you just pick one kind of food, or would you want to taste a bit of everything? If you said, a bit of everything, well done. You've just understood what diversification means. It's like not putting all your toys in one box. Instead, you put your toys in different boxes, like stocks. Think of it as a kind of toy. Bonds, another kind of toy. Real estate, houses, and even commodities, stuff like wheat, oil, and gold. The plan is not only about getting more toys, although that can happen, but to be safe. Because not all toys are fun at the same time, imagine it as a safety net. If one type of toy becomes less fun, say technology toys, you won't lose all your fun because you've also got other toys like healthcare or utility toys, which might still be fun. So why should we diversify? The answer is simple: to have more fun while being safe. A mixed toy box is more likely to stay fun even when some toys become boring and can give more consistent fun over a long time. Let's think about this. If you only have stocks, tech toys, you are at the mercy of how fun tech toys are. But if you also have bonds, stable toys, you've just mixed up your toy box and spread your fun. But don't just stop at toys. Mix within those toys too. Don't just buy tech toys. Spread your toys across different types. And it's not just about toys at home. Think about toys from other countries as well, because they might be fun when your home toys are boring. Remember, diversification is not about having the most fun toys, but about having balance. It's about creating a toy box that can withstand the ups and downs of fun and give a steady return on your fun. Diversification helps to spread fun and take advantage of various toy types, making your fun smarter, not harder. Wow, we've learned so much today. Let's go over it again quickly. In the world of money, knowing what you have and where it comes from is the first step. We talked about why it's really important to know where your money comes in from and where it goes out. We said that knowing how much money you have and where you spend it can make a big difference in your money journey. Then, we talked about saving money and making it grow. We talked about something called compound interest that can grow your savings over time, much like how a small seed can grow into a big tree. We also talked about different ways to grow your money, like buying stocks or houses. We showed you how these things can help you have more money. Next, we talked about something really cool called passive income. This is money you can make even when you're not working. We talked about lots of different ways to make passive income, like from rent, dividends, or even online businesses. These can add to your regular income and can be really helpful if you're ever in a money pinch. Lastly, we talked about not putting all your eggs in one basket. This means not putting all your money in one place. By spreading your money across different things, you can manage risk and maybe even make more money. We also said it's important to have money coming in from different places. In all of this, we said that being patient, regular, and careful is very important. Getting money is not about getting rich quickly, but about making smart plans and choices. Remember, making money is a long journey, not a quick race. Start today and make your money work for you. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this adventure about money. We've learned how knowing about your money, saving, and putting it in different places can help it grow. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it become a big tree over time. Now, you can try doing these things and see your money grow like a tree too. If you liked our video, you can help us by subscribing, liking, and sharing it. Together, we can help everyone learn about money. Until we meet again, keep helping your money grow.